where I've been for the last 5 years and where I've seen many a problem and where I've tried my level best to overcome. But I'm here luckily today as a candidate for the Rocket. Saya bernasib baik hari ini saya di sini sebagai calon di atas parti simbol Roket. Almost didn't happen. Almost didn't happen. In December last year, 15th of December, DAP held its convention, elected its CEC. That was 5 months ago, ladies and gentlemen. 5 bulan dahulu. CEC dilantik baru 2 hari, yaitu 18 hari bulan, 3 hari. 2 hari sebelum pencalonan, 2 days before the nomination, the ROS declares the CEC as not recognized and says, therefore, you cannot use the symbol Rocket. 5 months ago, the reason, and they do it 2 days before. Is that fair or not, ladies and gentlemen? When that happened on Thursday, apabila ia berlaku pada hari Khamis, rakyat telah bangkit. Saya ingat di seluruh Malaysia, mereka cakap ini tidak adil. Dan suara rakyat itu, the voice of the people was heard by the ROS. ROS bohut. On Friday night, Friday evening, all DAP candidates already had our backup plan. If you don't accept Rocket, we will go with PAS. And I said on Friday in my speech, while the facts was coming in, if I go with PAS, and if Sabah and Sarawak goes with Keadilan, will you still support us, Pakatan Rakyat? Yes or no? Because we are one family. We are not like Barisan Nasional, where they practice communal politics. Not like that. But ROS, coming back to that story, bohut. While I was speaking, the facts coming slowly. Bohut lah. Facts also 9:30. 9:30 at night. While we are doing ceramah. You can use the Rocket. Don't worry, you can use the Rocket. So next morning we went, we didn't even know. Because we were busy ceramah in Esplanade until 1 o'clock at night. You were there probably. So you also didn't know. Tapi diorang bohut nak facts. So we all go to our schools to get nominated. And there's an SMS I get from my brother Ng Wei. He also didn't know, because all wake up, dalam kabut, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, get ready, want to go there. They did it at 9:30, can, no problem. So Ng Wei also don't know whether real or not, because there was a call coming from KL, because National HQ. So we get an SMS saying should not be a problem. So we went in there. We are going to insist Rocket, whether you like it or not.
Kalau Rocket, pasti lah.
Saya tunjuk, saya punya surat Rocket. Saya ingat dia mau lawan tau. Saya sudah sedia mau lawan dia. Kalau dia cakap tak boleh Rocket, sebelum saya taruh PAS pun saya mau lawan untuk Rocket sampai mati. Baru saya tunjuk di surat lain. So saya ingat dia sudah nampak saya maya pot lah itu tadi. Saya bagi Rocket kan. Saya tunggu apa dia nak jawapan. Boleh, boleh. Boleh.